Everyone's just behind one another. Don't you think that Honda truck looks kind of weird? Because I think that too, don't y'all? Huh. Looks like we got a Kia up there. Hey, Kia, that's a truck. Holy moly, that doesn't have to be. Yeah, that's a Ford F-150. Great Ford F-150. Wait a minute. I think that was my uncle while driving that. Holy moly. This is how busy our streets are today. You know what? I'm not gonna stop the video. If the video is gonna be this long, I ain't stopping it. Alright. Yeah, because as soon as the traffic stops, another vehicle appears. I don't care. Yeah, we're alone. Are we gonna run out of cars to do here? Nope. There's still one coming up from the top. I guess I'm just gonna stall my time doing this. Due to some personal stuff. Doesn't matter. That's nice. Where does it